What type of questions can be asked from Human Genome Project or DNA fingerprinting? Look at this. Select the wrong statement from the following. 98% of human genome codes for protein. Is it correct sentence? Less than 2% of human genome codes for protein. It means 98% of the human genome would be inactive, heterochromatin. So this is wrong statement. Check. Second option, human genome has 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pairs of DNA. That's correct. Genome here indicates haploid set of chromosomes. That is n number. We can eliminate this. Sequence annotation involves sequencing of all genes, coding or non-coding, and all other genes of euchromatin and heterochromatin segments. SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphisms, are found in 1.4 million locations in human genomes, in different chromosomes of human genomes. There is polymorphism, single nucleotide polymorphism, a short segment but variation in one sequence, in only one base pairs. So it is single nucleotide polymorphism. Look at the second question. Which of these is wrong with respect to DNA polymorphism? It is the basis of genetic mapping, gene mapping, genetic mapping. That is detection of distance between different genes in a chromosome. And also DNA profiling, DNA fingerprinting. This is correct statement. So this cannot be the answer. I have asked wrong statements. Inheritable mutation is observed in a population at higher frequency. This is actually DNA polymorphism. Variable number of tandem repeats. DNA profiling involves analysis of ENTR only. Varies from 0.1 to 20 kilo base pairs. Yes. Then which is wrong statement? This is not significant in evolution or speciation. This is wrong. DNA polymorphism plays an important role in evolution and speciation because there is accumulation of variation from generation to generations. Okay. We can eliminate first 3 statements here because they are correct. Look at this. DNA fingerprinting involves identification of. What are we going to identify in this? DNA profile, DNA fingerprint. Are we going to check chromosome number? Never. Detection of DNA quantity. That's not true. Express genes in an individual. That's express sequence stats. It's one of the methodologies in DNA fingerprinting. This is not actually the identification of expressed genes, functional genes. Functional gene would be same in all individuals. The gene codes for insulin. Every human being will have same gene. That is expressed gene. That is functional gene. That cannot vary from person to person. That cannot be a very unique thing to identify an individual. So don't take this. Then which is the correct statement with respect to DNA fingerprinting? Copy number of mini satellite. Yes, this is the correct description. We are going to check variable number of tandem repeats. We are going to check copy number because VNTR belongs to this category of mini satellite. There are 2 types in satellites, microsatellites and mini satellites. So this is correct answer. Number of short tandem repeats. That's VNTR only. Then will be same in 2 chromosomes of a pair. I've got one maternal chromosome, one paternal chromosome. I've got a pair of homologous chromosomes. The number of VNTR in this and the second one will not be same because this is from father, this is from mother. So this cannot be taken as correct option here. Will be same in 2 pairs of chromosomes? No. I am taking first pair, I am taking third pair or second pair. Number of VNTR here in this and this cannot be seen. Will be different in same chromosome present in different cells. What does that mean? I take one chromosome, okay, first chromosome from WBC, first chromosome from skin cell, first chromosome from bone marrow cell. VNTR will be same in all the three chromosomes. It doesn't vary from cell to cell. Therefore, in DNA profiling, they can collect DNA from any cell, sample from any region of the body. Then unique in a chromosome individual. So number of VNTR varies from chromosome to chromosome. Unique, it's very unique in an individual in a chromosome. So this is correct answer. Okay, so go through this part, Human Genome Project and then DNA profiling. Okay, bye.